Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Bream in Bacon. Richo's been fishing. He's got some gorgeous bream fillets here. He's taken all of the bones and all of the skin out of them, and we are going to just wrap them in bacon, secure them with a skewer and cook them in the Ninja Foodi on the air fry function. You don't have to have it completely covered. There'll be plenty of flavour there. Just get a toothpick and secure it so you're able to turn it over. And make sure you remove those toothpicks before you serve it. So that just goes straight into the Ninja Foodi basket now. The other one. These aren't proper rashers. They're sort of like a hybrid rashers. They will do the job. Okay. Pop that straight into the Ninja Foodi on the air fryer function for 10 minutes, turning over at half time. And there you have a Cheekyricho Cooking's bream in bacon, or any white fish done in bacon in the Ninja Foodi. 10 to 12 minutes, and this is what you should have. The fish is protected. We just remove those skewers so that you don't get any nasty surprises when you go to eat it. And it is moist, tender and delicious. Served with a bit of garlic aioli, caught on the cob, some fresh green beans and some fresh tomatoes from our garden. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Show you what this looks like inside. The fish is beautifully cooked. Bacon flavour's gone right through it and giving it a gorgeous flavour. Nice and smoky. Thanks for watching.